I'm very much interested in the marriage of beauty and meaning. And if there's no meaning, I don't find things very beautiful. Just trying to sort of make sense of the world. I've been a long time working with globes as a site of lots of meaning. When this project at LaGuardia came around, this took me particularly out much farther than I had been able to do. I wanted this to be something that would engage the public, that is familiar. People are coming and going through the airport, maybe stop them in their tracks when you see something that you know, but it looks slightly different. The globes are going to be much larger than anything I've ever done, and there'll be more than one within the sculpture. I work with glass, and I work with glass blowers. This strip form, for me, is also very fertile with possibilities, ink, tar, oil, all these histories linked with the color black. And because of African American, it also has these other meanings for me. But it's not a book, it's a display. And the display, one takes it all in, not separating the personal from the science or the history. The sculpture is called Mother, and it relates to Mother Earth. It's almost like I was flying in space, looking back at the Earth and realizing, this is all we have. And we are just these little things on the Earth and have gotten so wrapped up in our interrelationships that we're not seeing the big picture. That's why there's no country names, it's just land masses. I'm curious of what people will think of it. Really, it's for people to enjoy the wonder and their connection to the planet.